Where did the first Catholic Mass take place in the Philippines? The first Catholic Mass in the Philippines took place on March 31, 1521 on the shores of what is known as Limasawa Island in southern Leyte. It was conducted by the Spanish expedition led by Ferdinand Magellan, marking the first recorded Catholic Mass in the archipelago. This significant event symbolized the introduction of Christianity to the islands, as Magellan and his crew sought to spread the faith during their expedition across the Pacific. The Mass was held to commemorate Easter Sunday, attended by Magellan's men, local chieftain Raja Colombo and his followers. The ceremony signified the beginning of a long and complex interweaving of Spanish influence, Catholicism, and indigenous cultures that would shape the Philippines' religious and cultural landscape for centuries to come. The historic Mass on Limasawa Island stands as a pivotal moment in the Philippine history, marking the initial encounter between Spanish explorers and the indigenous inhabitants, paving the way for the eventual spread of Christianity throughout the archipelago. Following the first Catholic Mass on Limasawa Island, the Spanish colonization of the Philippines began in earnest. This initial encounter set the stage for further expeditions and the eventual arrival of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi in 1565, marking the establishment of the first permanent Spanish settlement in Cebu. With the arrival of Spanish missionaries, including Augustinians, Franciscans, Jesuits, and other religious orders, Christianity began to take root and spread across the island. The propagation of Catholicism became intricately linked with Spanish colonial rule, resulting in the construction of churches, the establishments of religious orders, and the conversion of indigenous populations to the Christian faith. The fusion of Spanish religious practices with indigenous beliefs gave rise to a unique blend of traditions, customs, and rituals, forming what is known as Filipino Catholicism. Over the centuries, the Catholic Church played a pivotal role in shaping not just the religious but also the social-political landscape of the Philippines. It became a cornerstone of Filipino identity, influencing various aspects of society from education to governance.